Mahalo. I'm Captain Seasoning. This is Mello. Say hi, Mello. Yeah. Okay, today we're going to do top 5 books that I've read during quarantine that I liked, based on what my sister has available in the house. But also, I feel like these books elevate past that, so I think you should check them out too. Okay, number 5, Eat, Pray, Love. This is a really cool book, really nice, and about travel, which really is something that I like a lot. Okay, number 4, 7 Principles for Making Marriage Work. This is a very enlightening book, and with cool ideas like love maps and nurturing fondness and admiration for your partner. Okay, number 3 is loving your spouse when you feel like walking away. Marriage is really tough for a lot of people, I guess, and like it takes a lot of work, and this book is a good thing to like work on. Okay, number 2. Number 2 is Kramer versus Kramer. This book, it just blew me away. I couldn't believe it. I'd seen the movie a few times when I was younger, but I didn't ever really I don't know, just reading it was like something different. It's crazy. Okay, and the number 1 book I read during this quarantine that I loved, and I think you will love too, is A Pirate Looks at 50 by Jimmy Buffett. My sister didn't actually have this book. I brought it with me because I kind of bring it everywhere, but I think it counts because I've read it before, but I definitely read it a few times since this quarantine started. Jimmy Buffett's just awesome, and to hear him tell cool stories about his life and all the cool things he's done and the music, it's just like you're transported there. And it's just so awesome. And there you have it, 5 really cool books to check out until they say it's okay to live our lives again. Mahalo.